Musashino has developed the world's first portable level gauge for bunker and ballast tanks using a digital pressure sensor. Level Cera Portable's appeal lies in its use of digital technology to provide high accuracy measurements and its built-in wireless function. Level Cera Portable reduces the crew's workload, prevents overflows, and increases measurement accuracy. Reduce the crew's workload. Even on ships with fixed tank level gauging, the crew may take measurements by hand using sounding tapes when taking on fuel. To take measurements with a sounding tape, the crew needs skill and practice. At the same time, multiple tanks need to be controlled. Because Level Cera Portable uses a digital pressure sensor, the cable needs only to be inserted into the sounding pipe to take true measurements continuously. It is not necessary to take multiple measurements to check the level continuously during bunkering, reducing the crew's workload in terms of supporting measurements with the sounding tape. Prevent overflows. Level Cera Portable has a wireless remote monitoring system for use in non-hazardous areas. Tank levels can be monitored remotely within an approximately 50-meter range, which can be extended by another 50 meters using a relay. In addition to using the wireless remote monitoring system on tanks taking on fuel, levels in tanks not being loaded can be continuously monitored. A computer can also be set up to monitor level, temperature, and volume on multiple tanks in a single interface. With the remote monitoring system, problems with overflows can be more easily avoided. Increase measurement accuracy. Level Cera Portable is a relative pressure type level gauge. The liquid level is calculated by taking the difference between atmospheric pressure and the pressure detected at the bottom of the tank and adjusting for the specific gravity entered before beginning operations. At the same time, corrections for temperature are made to the specific gravity to further increase the accuracy. Therefore, Level Cera Portable is better able to identify the cappuccino phenomenon in fuel when compared to measurements with a sounding tape. A little later, we'll introduce how to detect cappuccino bunker in more detail. One benefit of Level Cera Portable's digital system is the ability to log bunkering conditions. The log will store up to 100 days worth of conditions, which can be used as evidence if any problems with the fuel oil arise later. This small, lightweight detector set is easily operated by one person. With no wires and no need for correction, the detector is easily moved and set up. Using the remote indicator to check the level, there is no need to have crew stay at the tank. The indicator shows the detector number and the liquid level. The indicator has a crisp liquid crystal display which is easy to see even on deck under direct sunlight or other strong outside lights. Level Cera Portable comes with a cable cleaner that strips off fuel as the cable is removed from the sounding pipe, resulting in easy cleanup with a single rag. Level Cera Portable detects the water head pressure at the tank bottom and calculates the liquid level based on the specific gravity from the agreement with the bunker supplier. First, check the level using Level Cera Portable. At the same time, measure the liquid level, ullage, with the sounding tape. Compare the two measurements to see if there is any difference. If there is no difference in the two results, you don't have cappuccino bunker. If there is a big difference, however, there is a high probability that cappuccino bunker is being loaded. When using a pressure type level gauge, differences between the specific gravities of C heavy fuel oil and cappuccino bunker will be shown as difference in the levels. Because of this characteristic, the specific gravity in the tank can be confirmed based on a specific gravity conversion table. Here is how to know for sure. Pull the detector cable up exactly 1 meter using the graduated markings on the cable. If the level displayed on the indicator becomes 1 meter shallower, then the specific gravity in the tank and the specific gravity agreed with the bunker supplier are the same. If the change in the level displayed on the indicator is much different from 1 meter, there is a high probability that cappuccino bunker is being loaded. To know precisely the specific gravity of the cappuccino bunker, check the displayed level against the specific gravity conversion table. For example, if the indicated level changes only 0.86 meters when the cable is moved 1 meter, find 0.86 in the left column of the specific gravity conversion table and follow it over to the agreed specific gravity of 0.98. The true specific gravity in the tank is approximately 0.85. With the above measurement method, you can determine if the fuel is infused with air. Using current bunkering conditions, a lot of time, labor, and expense can be used in preventing overflows, and the damage from air-infused fuel cannot be ignored. For safe, environmentally friendly, reduced-cost bunkering, use the world's first portable digital level gauge, Level Cera Portable.